name is Marcus. I study in DSC. I took the Introduction to Business and Entrepreneurship course, and it's really cool having like professors from U of T like actually come here to like teach us, give us experience, and overall like give us a lot of insight on what university is like and what to do, and a lot of advice. I really appreciate the fact that my teacher is really open-minded all the time. He always like tells us like how we can think bigger, like think outside the box and use different ways to have a design or growth mindset.
Hi, I'm Nick. I took the technology course. I learned so much from it. I learned so much about tech, and more importantly, how to become a good person, like a good group member, because we had most of our tech activities were group projects. So I learned so much.
Okay, hi, my name is Emma. I'm 17 and I took the Tech and Design course. So we did a lot of things, like we could try out green screens and VR and AR things, which I think is really interesting because I haven't had any experience with that before. Besides from the actual course, I also had a lot of meaningful conversations with Dr. Alexander, and I found that to be very helpful with figuring out what I want to do in the future.
I'm Ian. I'm 14 and I took the same course. What I really liked about this course was that we could work with a bunch of new people, and there was a lot of collaboration between us, and I got to really learn new things with my teammates.
My name's Alicia and I'm currently turning 16 and I'm going into year 12.
I'm Ethan and I'm also 15, and during this program I really enjoyed everything. I learned a lot from Mr. C. He was a really nice guy and a really good teacher, and I really enjoyed the program.
So we took the medicine and health program, and I think it was really fun because we get to learn a lot of stuff that we might not learn in school, and we also get to do a lot of labs and do some presentation, which helped me develop a lot of my presenting skills and also analysis skills.